Hello everyone. Today we are going to look around DAS825 PRO MAX. This is our new device which we are launching in the market. We have developed the device so that all the service center will have a diagnostic tool in their garage. This is the main screen. Here we have a DAS825 applications. Basically this device works on Android platform. So here we have application of DAS825 Pro Max. Here we can see the intelligent diagnosis, local diagnosis, remote functions, special functions, toolbox, software updates, and much more. Here in this toolbox, we can see TPMS, ADAS, scope box, sensor box, video scope, and everything. So which is IMO program and key program, etc. So all these functions are inbuilt in the system, which need optional devices to execute this function. Here we have a 111 software which need to be updated. So let me update and we will come to other session. So we can see all the softwares are over here which we need to be updated here.